in this session, we are going to discuss how to judge that is it AP or not. So we are going to do questions related to it. Let's start. What is the basic condition that we need to remember to prove that is it AP? Let's start. First of all, let's name it. Okay, let's start with the naming, very important. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and A4. We have 4 terms in all of them. Here there are 3. So A1, A2, A3. Here let's do it. A1, A2, A3 and A4. So done. There is no relation with AP and first term. The main idea is about common difference. If we have same common difference between 2 consecutive terms, then it will be AP. Okay, I am repeating one more time. If the difference between 2 terms is same, then it is AP, otherwise it is not. So what I am going to do, I am going to find difference between these 2 terms, then these 2 terms and these 2 terms. I am going to find difference between all the terms which is given here, not which is possible. Remember, or whatever terms are given, we need to find difference between them and we need to verify, are we getting the same difference in each case, then it is AP. And if we are not getting the same difference, it is not. Simple. Let's start. So first of all, I will be subtracting A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1. What shall I get? 4 minus 2, which is 2. So difference between these 2 terms is 2. Let's do A3 minus A2. Now A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2. That will give you 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now tell me, is it AP? Can I consider this as AP? No, I cannot consider, because difference between first 2 terms is 2, but difference between next 2 terms is 4. Difference is not same. If difference is not same, we cannot say that it is AP. So I will be writing that it is not AP. Simple. It is not AP. Done. Let's move for the next question. No need to do even the third difference, 16 minus 8. It doesn't matter, because if 2 are not matching, why to bother about the 3? We should be having all of them equal. Let's start. So here also I will be doing A2 minus A1, which is 0.22 minus 0.2. Decimal again. So let's subtract 0.22 minus 0.2. You can put 0 over here. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 minus 2 0 and 0. So 0.02. 0.02 is the difference between first 2 terms. Let's talk about A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22. Let's subtract again. So 0.222 minus 0.22, and let's keep 0 over here. So 200.0. So here 0.002, that is the difference. Now, are these both difference equal? No. Is it AP? No, it is not AP. So we can write it is not AP. Simple. It is not AP. Done. No need to find the third difference. We even don't have the fourth term, so we cannot find. Let's do next question. Here also I am going to take difference between 2 consecutive terms and I am going to check, am I getting the same common difference or not. So first of all, A2 minus A1. So minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Remember, there will be 2 times negative. 1 minus for the formula, another minus because it is given in the term of A1. So minus 1 upon 2 minus will be plus 1 upon 2. So what's the difference? 0. This is negative and this is positive. Let's do for A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 1 upon 2 minus again minus 1 upon 2, similar to the previous one. So minus 1 upon 2 minus plus 1 upon 2, difference is 0. Yes, don't stop here. You need to check for the A4 minus A3 as well. Why did we stop in these two cases here only? Because common difference was not matching. You need to go till the end, till the terms are given in the question, not to the infinity, but as long as the terms are given. Here we stopped because common difference was not equal. Here we are still moving on. Don't judge just by two common difference. You need to get the third one as well. Maybe it is possible that first two are coming same but third is not coming, so you need to be ready for that as well. Let's do the next one, which is A4 minus A3, which is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 as it is, minus plus 1 by 2, and here it is 0. So if you can observe that common difference is 0 in all three cases, first, second and third. So this is AP. Remember, this is the case that it is AP. So let's write it is AP. Simple. Let's see one more time. You need to find a common difference and you need to check, are we getting the same difference? If we are not getting the same difference, it is not AP. And as soon as you stop getting the same difference, stop it. Here I keep going on. The reason behind that, I want to check each and every difference. That's why I did till the step 3. Let's move for the next questions. Let's discuss few more questions, that is it AP or not. So we have the question root 5, 2 root 5, 3 root 5 and 4 root 5. Okay, so let's start with the method. First of all, let's give name to the terms, that is A1, then A2, then A3 and A4. What we are supposed to do? We just need to check the difference is same or not. So let's start with A2 minus A1. So 2 root 5 minus root 5. Okay, 2 root 5 minus root 5. Consider as 1 over here, right? 2x minus x. Answer is x. So in this case it is root 5. So that's the first difference. Let's take the second difference, A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2, that is 3 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5. Okay, again 3 minus 2, very evident, root 5. So far the difference is same. Let's check the third one, then we can decide, not without that. So A4 minus A3, that is 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Here also again root 5. See, we are getting the same difference, right? Root 5 and root 5. So what we can write? It is AP. Simple, right? Very easy to do. Let's discuss next one. Here it is given 1 square, 2 square, 5 square, 7 square, right? Let's ignore the square. 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, right? Don't do it. That's absolutely wrong way to do it. First of all, simplify. Square of 1 is 1 here. 9, 25, 49, dash, dash, dash. Okay. So A1, then A2, then A3, then A4. So let's start. A2 minus A1. So 9 minus 1, that is 8. Next is A3 minus A2, right? So A3 minus A2, that is 25 minus 9, that is 16. Okay, now see, we are not getting the same difference. No need to even do the calculation for the third difference, that is A4 minus A3, because if two are not equal, then why to bother about the third one, right? So let's write it is not AP. It is not AP. Then very simple to do. Let's discuss the last one, then this topic will be over. Okay, again here 1 square, 2, 5 square, 7 square and 7 cube it is. Okay, so first of all, let's simplify. 1 here, here 25, here 49, here 343 dash dash dash. Okay, so let's start A1, then A2, then A3 and A4. So first let's take the difference of A2 minus A1, that is 25 minus 1, that is 24. So that's the first difference. Now let's get the second one. So A3 minus A2, so 49 minus 25. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So 24. So far it is good that it can be AP because two differences are equal so far. Let's get the third difference, that is 343 minus 49. So here 13 minus 9 is what? 4 here and here 3, not possible, so 13 and 2. 13 minus 4 is what? 9 here and here 2, 294. So two differences are 24, 24, but the third is 294. Be careful while you do this kind of questions. If you only stop at this second point, you will be having wrong idea that it is AP, but it's not. That's why I always advise you to check for all the terms which are given in the question. Check for all the sum, no need to extend more. At least check for the 4 terms which are given over there. Then only you decide that it is AP or not. So let's write it is not AP. Simple, right? So this is how we decide that the given question is arithmetic progression or not. What we need to do? First of all, name A1, A2, A3, A4 and check for the differences. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. All three of them should be equal. Remember, all of them should be equal, then only we can consider that it is AP. If only 2 are equal and third is not, okay, it is not the case of AP. Here obviously it is not AP. So this is how we decide that the given question is AP or not.